We have an old setup that we're going to be changing to a new setup. Check it out. And there you go. The desk is done at right angle. Wait a second. I'm locked in here. If I wanted this to be switched around, we have a right angle and a straight angle desk. The right could go on one side or the other side and straight. These desks come in many different colors. You choose the one of your style that matches your area of interest. The instructions should be very easy to go over and shows you how to build them in different ways. I have here laid out on the floor every single part. Always make sure that you got everything in order. Always make sure that everything is coming from the factory correctly and not damaged. And if so, you may want to get with support for those pieces to be replaced. So let's get this build going and show you what it looks like. This is part 4, part 10, A and F. Well, we all know where F goes. They go on the bottom. They simply screw in. 10 doesn't have anything whatsoever. Goes on the very bottom hole. Get yourself a hex key or use the ones they give you and make yourself comfortable because this is going to be a nice build. A are the screws, F's are the feet. This is part number 5. This is 12. This is 11 with the holes facing up. And this is what we're going to do. You get the idea now. We're on number 6, 12, and 11, I believe. And with A's and F's. And we're going to just continue on building. Make sure these holes face up. And make sure they go in the correct areas of interest. And lock it down. I love using the word lock it down. That's my favorite phrase. Five and 6, if you make a mistake, carefully go over. This piece needs to be dropped down, and this will be dropped down here, or maybe this bar needs to be raised up, but this has to go down here. So pay attention to your work. 2 number 3s, 6 number B's. And what you're going to do is do your best to get this all matched up the best you can. You may want to grab a friend, help you out. Unless you could do it yourself by simply just matching up boards and all. If you need to put one piece to the side, do so. And just work on the screw from the bottom on up. Get the screw in, align it up. They are nylon, so please don't overly tighten up. And you'll work. Once you tighten everything up nicely, you're done with this particular piece. Step number 5 requires 2 number 6s, 4 square bars, 2 round bars, 8 B's. And I still got some F's left over, and it doesn't say anything about this. Make sure we get a whole bunch of number A's, about 6 of them. Number B's and the board, I'm putting in the screws in the back. Do apologize for not showing you screwing in. Place the screw in. Make sure all the screws are tight. As you can see, it's moving. All assembled, missing a par, and we'll figure out what to do on that later. As I go over the instructions, the next one I need to do is take 2 number 9s, and I'm taking a guess that this is a number 9, and they're going to go on here like so. And screw number A. You need some room. Again, start to move things out of your way. Don't just put this on a table. Get the table out of your way and lay things down correctly. As you can see how easy things go together. 1, 2, 3. If you again make a mistake and you need to switch things around, all you need to do is just loosen things up, and here we are, all done. Depending on the side you want to put these on, you're going to get B, a sway bar, and E, a bell nut. And you're going to just place these on, and this will give you the swayness of the unit. Get the drill, get the tools that are needed to tighten down, and repeat for the other 2. You get about 4 of these, and this is what you're going to do. Everything's completed. That's it, you're good. If you make a mistake and this is in the wrong spot, then you're going to move it down below. 1. B goes over here. This is A, the last of the frame. This is number 4, and this is A. This is the last part here of the frame. You're going to lock this in. You put your crossbars on, and that will straighten everything up. This goes over here, a couple of screws in place. This goes over here, put a couple of screws in place, and this goes over here. Put a couple of screws in place. We have some AC caps. They have a door that opens and closes that will spin if you hold it. They simply go right here and here. And we have a AC outlet, 4 AC outlets very close together with 2 USB ports. And you simply just take the unit. If you don't want the ports on the outside, you want them on the inside, that's what you do. And you get 2 screws, you screw them down. We have a holder. You simply just put in the insides correctly. For my needs, I'm going to not hook this up. And underneath, you're going to simply just, you're going to screw in like so. You're wondering what H is. H is you could put underneath where the screws are matching up, and this will hold your headsets. Since I don't have a headsets, right now I'm going to put this to the side. I can do so, and this is very awesome indeed. It is a nice desk, and for me, my purposes, I got one more position to make this fit, but it ain't going to be me looking at the wall or that wall. And you'll decide if this desk is for you. I wasn't thinking of a short desk, but I tell you what, this is awesome. You don't have to put the right angle on or the additional piece, but the additional piece will make it a nice long desk for your office, for your spaces, wherever you want to be. I am going to put it to the side and show you what it looks like. Grab a seat. This is awesome. 2-person desk, right angle for the left, for the right side. If you want just the small part of desk, you have open space down below to put things stored away and all that stuff. You don't have anything on top but to hide your wires, plug in your AC, depending on what you're looking to do with your product. So I hope this desk, this organized desk, may be right for you.